Hello. Today I'm going to replace eccentric shaft position sensor in my Mazda RX8. Without further talking, let's get into it. It might be a little rough to see, but our position sensor is here. Oh, yeah, it's right here. We have a 6mm bolt for 10mm socket wrench, just to take out our bolt, and we need to disconnect our connector. I think this get my car starting a little rough because it's so dirty as we see, but for our weather here and mud, all other things, it might be a little hard to get rid of it. So first thing I will disconnect, because now it's stable and it is pretty simple. Second thing is just put our socket on bolt. Oh, more than little rough to unscrew. And now just carefully put my hand in here and I will just take it off. Best way to put something back in, it is the way we take it off. So first let's put our sensor in place and start screwing our bolt. And I got both of this in the same time, so it is not problematic. Now I have torque wrench, so I will torque this spec. General spec for 6mm bolts, it's 10mm. It depends on softness of the bolt, how long is thread and everything. Now I just connected connector and everything is back in place. So let's get our car on the ground and just check how it will start after our little modification. Now we just need to start a car, but because we changed our eccentric shaft position sensor, we need to actually calibrate it. It is not proven, but if we changing sensor and we can make it adapt itself, why just don't do it? We taking car into neutral, putting key in ignition, turning it off, on, and just stomping on brake 20 times. This should actually reset our sensor, and now we can just start it. This starting will take a little longer as our sensor must to adapt, so clutch in and the car. I'll shoot it out and try to turn it out again. As we see, we have a little rough start because also our RX8 is pretty cold and it is 9 degrees of Celsius. It is quite cold, but it is pretty cold for one cool rotary engine, because it likes hot, it is hot. Things I will note. We don't need to take car up just to take our sensor, but for me it's easier because I have lifter but also it can be done by just taking off some of our plastic. Take this one off and we actually can somehow feel our sensor deep down inside. We can disconnect it, but just to take it off, as I reckon, we might off our airbox filter and our connector to engines, just to have space to get to our bolt. This pretty simple job takes, as I just did, 15 minutes or so. And after changing spark plugs, knowing that car have a compression, we have our clean air filter. I think it is quite good job to just check, actually not maybe replace it because it's costly, but take it off and just to check it, bench test it. Yeah, have a great day.